This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making your first call. You should store the API key in environment variables, not in client code. Next, set the base URL and test a simple GET request using Fetch or Axios so you verify authentication and CORS policies. If you get a 400 one, recheck the key and header format. Once done, log the raw response to inspect JSON structure and status codes before building UI logic around the return data. You now implement the main request logic and error handling. Use async/await with try/catch to keep code readable and show a loading state while awaiting responses. Make post requests with a JSON body and correct content type header. Use query parameters for filtering when appropriate. Then parse the response, map fields to your UI model, and update state atomically to avoid flicker. Make sure to debounce rapid requests and retry transient errors with exponential backoff to improve reliability. You finish by securing, optimizing, and validating your integration. Move sensitive calls server-side if possible, implement rate limit handling and input validation to prevent malformed requests, and add caching for repeated queries. Deploy and monitor logs and metrics so you can spot failures early. If things go wrong, first reproduce the request with the same headers and payload, inspect status codes, and check Network tab for CORS or TLS issues. These steps usually reveal the root cause and guide a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.